Here's the serial number plate, I believe.
Oh, there's another one there?
Yeah, actually there's one on that end too.
Okay.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure if that's what you're taking a photo
Yeah, I
of.
think I'm putting there.
Here's dates. Here's dates with no names on it. Okay, so 55, 0. Okay, start.
Like a laser grid. I put my hand down here.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, exactly. Like just one little image of it sitting in a corner. Like it's so nice to see it working. And like what we'll do is like we'll do a little video as well. Like on both our videos, just throw it on YouTube, and that'll go on our listing as well. So we can click on it, see it working, see a full 360 with it and everything too.
Okay.
But it would just encourage people that much more.
Well, it always helps when you can actually see it actually working.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly.